Hey, come here for a second. Let's talk like someone who finally switched to the Alienware 16 after weeks of trying to squeeze performance out of gear that just couldn't keep up. When you first open this laptop, you feel it immediately, the shift from fighting your setup to finally using something that's built for the way you actually play. This is for the kind of person who doesn't chase hype, but knows when a machine is built with intention. Someone who wants speed that feels clean, visuals that feel alive, and a system that doesn't make you question whether it can keep up with you. If you've reached the point where you're done pretending your old laptop is fine, this is your moment. Before you get too deep into the details, check the current price and availability because this model jumps in and out faster than you expect. You know that quiet realization you get after too many frame dips, too many thermal throttles, too many times your game stuttered right when everything mattered. There's always that one night where you finally admit you've outgrown the compromise phase. And when you switch to something like this, the difference hits you in the first hour. There's a strange calm that settles in when your hardware finally stops fighting you. Games load smoother. Animations look fluid. You start moving through your sessions without that familiar micro-hesitation from your old machine. Even everyday stuff, editing, browsing, multitasking, feels like someone removed a weight you didn't realize was slowing everything down. Imagine dropping into a match and the world looks sharper than what you're used to. The motion is cleaner. Every movement on that 120 Hz display feels like it responds directly to you. You hop into a long editing session and the system doesn't heat up into panic mode. You jump between tabs, apps, projects, and it just keeps going, steady and confident. If you're even a little bit serious about grabbing it, check it now. Don't wait for those awkward stock dips or those sudden price spikes that always show up right when you finally decide. And yeah, the doubts show up. Maybe you wonder if this level is too much. Maybe you're thinking your current setup is still holding on. But you know the truth. Every time you compare it with weaker options, your attention keeps drifting back here. At some point, you stop pretending you want something cheaper, and you admit you want something that feels right. One thing that surprises you is how much less you worry. Long sessions don't feel like stress tests. The system doesn't choke when you multitask. You just use it, and it delivers without that old tension in the back of your mind. There's a pride that comes with owning something like this. You close the lid and you feel different about your setup. You're not buying a laptop, you're stepping into a level where you stop thinking about performance entirely because it's finally handled. The speed makes everything feel effortless, the display pulls you deeper into every moment, the cooling keeps performance steady under pressure, the responsiveness makes you feel sharper and faster, the overall build feels like a long-term investment, the weight is a bit more than lighter models, the price sits in premium territory, but there's a point where you stop looping through comparisons. You already know the machine you kept coming back to. You already know the one that actually fits who you're becoming as a gamer and creator. If you're ready to stop holding yourself back with outdated hardware, check the link and make the move while it's available.